Creating an app starts with a clear purpose. What problem are you trying to solve? What need will your app fulfill? This core idea will guide every decision you make during the development process. Think of it as your app's mission statement. For example, imagine you want to create an app for sharing recipes. Your purpose could be to simplify meal planning and make cooking more enjoyable for busy individuals. Or you might envision an app that connects local farmers with consumers. The purpose would then be to promote sustainable living and support local businesses. Defining your app's purpose is crucial. It helps you stay focused. It keeps your development efforts aligned with a clear objective. Without a well-defined purpose, your app risks becoming a jumble of features without a cohesive vision. Once you have a clear purpose, you need to identify your target audience. Who are you building this app for? Understanding your users is crucial for tailoring your app's features and design. Consider demographics like age, location, occupation, and interests. Are you targeting tech-savvy millennials, busy parents, or fitness enthusiasts? Each group has different needs and preferences. For example, if your recipe-sharing app targets college students, you might prioritize quick and easy recipes with minimal ingredients. If you're targeting experienced home cooks, you might include features like advanced search filters, the ability to upload original recipes, and integration with smart kitchen appliances. With your purpose and audience defined, it's time to determine your app's core features. What are the essential functionalities that your app needs to deliver on its promise? Start with a list of must-have features and prioritize them based on their importance to your users. Next, you'll need to choose the platform for your app. Will it be an Android app, an iOS app, or a web app accessible through a browser? Your choice depends on your target audience, budget, and technical requirements. Consider factors like market reach, development costs, and platform-specific features. For instance, if you're targeting a global audience with a limited budget, a web app might be the most cost-effective option. If you need access to device-specific features like GPS or push notifications, a native Android or iOS app would be more suitable. Section 4 looks at the importance of design and user interface. The design and user interface, or UI, of your app are crucial for attracting and retaining users. A visually appealing and user-friendly interface can make all the difference in user experience. Invest in creating a clean, intuitive, and visually consistent design. Pay attention to navigation, layout, color schemes, and typography. Remember, simplicity is key. Users should be able to navigate your app effortlessly and find what they need without confusion. Consider using a design system to maintain consistency across your app. This involves creating a set of design guidelines for elements like buttons, icons, and typography. A design system ensures a cohesive look and feel throughout your app, enhancing its usability and visual appeal. And Section 5, making money monetization models for your app. If you plan to generate revenue from your app, you'll need to choose a monetization model. There are several options to consider, each with its pros and cons. In-app advertising involves displaying ads within your app. Freemium offers a basic version of your app for free, with the option to unlock premium features through in-app purchases. Subscription models provide access to your app's content or features for a recurring fee. Paid apps require users to pay upfront before downloading or using the app. The best monetization model for your app depends on your target audience, app type, and revenue goals. Research different models and analyze which one aligns best with your app's value proposition and your users' willingness to pay. Section 6, launching your app from MVP to full version. Launching an app is a process, not a single event. Start with a minimum viable product, or MVP. This is a version of your app with just the essential features. It allows you to test your app idea, gather user feedback, and iterate based on real-world usage. Once you've validated your MVP and incorporated user feedback, you can start building out the full version of your app. This is where you add more features, refine the user experience, and polish your app for a wider audience. Remember to plan for marketing and promotion. Create a buzz around your app before launch. Use social media, content marketing, and App Store optimization or ASO to reach your target audience. Post-launch, continue to engage with your users, gather feedback, and release updates to improve your app's functionality and user experience.